Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going inside the traditional architecture of the Souq Waqif. The traditional local architecture of the Souq Waqif is a unique architectural revival edifice for the heritage site in Doha. Souq Waqif, which literally means standing market, explores and represents the memory of the culture of Qatar. In order to preserve the cultural heritage and historical significance of the site, existing modern buildings were demolished. Metal sheeting on roofs was replaced with traditionally built roofs of mangrove poles and covered with wooden bamboo wood material. It is one of the epicenters of tourists of different colors. People flock this wonderful site on afternoon till evening. Built on the site of Doha's century-old trading market on the banks of the Wadi Musharrab, Souq Waqif adorns the backdrop of the dramatic modernist skyline of Doha. Glass doors and windows were also replaced by traditional doors and fenestrations. Walking on the streets of this magnificent site feels like traveling back in time to the early ages of the Qatari culture. Souq Waqif, without any doubt, remains to be and will always be one of the best tourist spots of the state of Qatar. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like it and share it. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you again next time. Bye!